Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Andriansyah Ritonga and my ID D400164006, and I will present to you about my research is smart electricity monitor home when staying with IoT and GSM. The contents: 1 is a background, 2 is objective, 3 is literature review, 4 methodology, and the last is reference. 1. Background. Background problem. We know that every family who leaves his home, such as to the office, school, recreation, and return home, cannot find out how the electric condition in his house can cause a short circuit or an electrical short circuit that triggers a fire. Every year, there are not a few houses that experience fire due to electrical short circuit. Like last year, there was a fire that consumed 15 housing units in Paranglimban City, North Sumatra, which was caused by an electrical short circuit. Reality: every year there are still many houses that are burned due to electrical shortage that occur when the house is being left by the owner. Hope: with the smart electricity monitoring, home with IoT and GSM can reduce the occurrence of fires caused by electrical zipper when homeowners are not around. 2. Objective: the purpose of my research is to be better protect and reduce problems with electrical shortage that occur when a house is left by its owner. This tool will provide all information about electricity consumption on or off the house, like when the house is left via IoT and GSM will immediately turn off the electricity when there is a shortage of electricity and can save electricity consumption. IoT this will be aimed at homeowners who use Wi-Fi and for those who are GSM addressed to homeowners who, who do not use Wi-Fi but must fall in GSM SIM pools in order to provide information to users. Notification take place as the user desires from every 15 minutes to every 2 days, depending on the user wishes. 3. Literature review. Author from Ministry of Energy of Mineral Resources in 2090, the capacity of EBT power plants reached 10,000 megawatts. The Ministry of Energy and Mineral Resources stated that the capacity of EBT power plants in 2090 reached 10,843 megawatts with an additional capacity of 376 megawatts from the previous years. Author from Yosafat Andriansyah Ritonga 80 and Iko Sanabari. Literature review is electricity saving using tools such as at mega 3 to 8p Z ZMPT101B voltage sensor, liquid crystal, GSM module, and GSM module, where all these tools are made with Arduino Uno minimum system. Works well with sensor reading error value of 1.27%, sensor voltage of 2.5%, and overall tool error value of 3.44%. Author from Hijdas, Dr. Kalimoto, and S. Biswas. Literature review is implementation of IoT-based circuit breaker monitoring and control, which will reduce the size of the circuit breaker and facilitate the concept of as-needed maintenance approach. Moreover, this will eliminate the concern regarding security vulnerability of third-party systems as the platform is open source. 4 is methodology. This research is experimental research. This research was chosen because of the magnitude of the effect of electrical short circuit which can cause a fire, especially in a house, where this research is aimed at a house left by its owner, where later will be installed a tool to be able to monitor electricity in the house and testing the device. This tool will send to user in the form of electric consumption that is used both when left or not when left by the owner. Delivery of consumption data will be sent in real time according to the desired time span. The tool has to be in the form of IoT, which use an internet connection and GSM for those who do not use Wi-Fi in their homes. The last is reference. I think it's enough for my presentation about smart electricity monitoring home with IoT and GSM. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.